Now, I can already tell you this is amazing. So whenever you first take delivery of your Tesla, you get these Gemini wheel covers and they look good with the car. However, I ran across these wheel covers from EV-Base and you can see that this is real carbon fiber that you have here, and it gives your car that real sporty look. So in today's video, we're going to install these on the Model Y, and not only that, we're going to take it on a road test just to see which wheel cover that's going to get the best efficiency. And you can get 15% off of these wheel covers or any Tesla accessory at evbase.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. First, we're going to go on and do a side-by-side comparison of the two wheel covers. So here you have the original Gemini wheel cover that comes from Tesla. This is the carbon fiber wheel cover that's coming from EV-Base. Now the Tesla wheel cover, you can see that it is a great material, but it kind of feels like cheap plastic, where over here this is on a tougher material. I guess it is plastic. However, this is real carbon fiber. That's really going to make your car look very stylish. You do have a center cover here, and you have hooks that's going on the perimeter of it that's going to latch on. Now, one thing that you're going to notice is, if you would say this is like a half of a U, you see my finger is not all the way over. We're going to come over here to the EV-Base, and it is a complete fit. My finger is snugged right in there. So that's already telling me that it's going to be a tighter fit and it's going to hold onto the wheel stronger. So let's go on and hop in the car. We're going to take the original Gemini wheel covers on a little trip just to see how much energy and how much battery that it's using on the Tesla. And we're going to break that and equate that down to approximately how far we can go on a complete charge in the conditions that we're in. And what we're going to do is we're going to drive a mile and we're going to see how many watt hours that the car is using. Then we're going to go back and divide that by the 81 kilowatt hour battery that Tesla comes with. So right now we're going 60 miles per hour. We are going to reset trip A. So we're going to keep our eye right here. This is the watt hours that the car is using, and we're going to go exactly 1 mile. At this point, 500 watt hours for that 1 mile. Now that we're back, what we're going to do is go on and install these onto the car. Now, this is an easy installation, and this is made from ABS material, so this is going to be durable, and it's going to not rust and corrode like some of those other hubcaps that you find on the side of the road. Especially with the hooks right here, you're not going to find this on the side of the road, because taking these off, it is a challenge. It just doesn't pop off. You hit a bump, then next you know it's rolling off on the road. So the first thing that we're going to do is, and it says it on the website, is that we're going to remove the iron hooks that's right here in the middle. So we're just going to push in, pull out, there we go. Secondly, it comes with this insulating foam. This just in case if the cover decides to rattle. So all it is adhesive on this side, and we're just going to come down to the perimeter. Now that all of these are done, we're going to go on and install these on the car. This is an easy installation, which should only take no more than 5 to 7 minutes. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the original wheel cover. I'm just going to pop this off, and that's pretty much it. And if you want to clean this, I will be cleaning this later, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you how it goes. We're going to look at the hook, and the only thing that you're going to see is you see that it's flat, 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 flat. We're going to find where the valve cover is, and it's a cutout, and we're going to line this up right over the valve cover. Then we're just going to knock it right on in. So you just want to make sure that you knock it until you hear no more clicking. Those are the hooks just grabbing right on the wheel. And one thing that I love about these wheel covers, it is hiding your rim here, so you don't end up getting that curb rash. And if you do, you just can replace this. Now, I can already tell you this is amazing. That looks a beauty. So these are the original wheel covers, and you can see how the car look here. And these are the carbon fiber ones from EV-Base, and it's a replacement for your Gemini wheels, and look at that. That is amazing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go on and install them on the rest of the car. Now that I got it done, This is how the car looks. And also these come with wheel covers. They're black, and this is how it will look. It's adhesive. However, I'm going to go back and get like a red Tesla logo. You just peel those off and just cover it up in the center. So now we're back on the interstate again with the EV-based carbon fiber wheel covers. And you can see here we're going exactly 60 miles per hour on the same stretch of highway. And let's go on and reset trip A. So we're going to keep our eyes right here again on the watt hours that is coming in. 345 watt hours per mile. Now that both tests are ran, your Tesla battery capacity on the Model Y is 81 kilowatts. The original Gemini wheel covers, when we took it on the test, it came in at 500 watt hours per mile that the car was using, which gives us a range of about 162. While the EV-based wheel covers gave us 345 watt hours per mile, and when we divide that by the 81 kilowatts, that gives us a range of 235, saying that the wheel covers from EV-Base is giving us a better efficiency of about 73 miles on the complete battery. Now, there are plenty factors at play whenever you're doing this, so this is just a rough estimate. You have to account for wind speed. Even today, the regenerative braking, as you can see here on your screen, it's not all the way active, and also it is 38 degrees outside. So your temperature also plays a major factor. If you're going uphill, downhill, all of these factors will play with the range that you receive on your battery. And you can get these wheel covers with any other accessory that you want for your Tesla, even with this carbon fiber spoiler here with a red line. It goes well with those wheels. So you can spice up your Tesla 15% off of any accessory at evbase.com. And check out more videos right here on your screen, all things related to your accessories for your Tesla and your money. And I will see you in the next video.